The art of providing choices. Using alternatively in giving directions. Hello, everyone. We're here today to make our English language journey a tad bit more interesting. We're going to focus on a very important and useful word, alternatively. When we're giving directions, it's not just about the fastest or the simplest route. Sometimes, we have a few good options. This is where the term, alternatively, comes into play. It allows us to offer other potential routes or methods in a polite and helpful way. Alternatively is an adverb that introduces an alternative or different option. It is often used when presenting a secondary or additional choice. Here's an example to help us understand. You can take the subway to get to the museum. Alternatively, you can take the bus if you want to enjoy the city view. In this example, we first provide one option, the subway, for getting to the museum. Then, we use alternatively to present a second option, taking the bus. It's time to dive deeper. To use alternatively, we usually structure our sentences in two parts. The first part proposes the primary direction or action, and the second part, introduced by alternatively, offers another route or method. Here's a simple template. Primary direction, alternatively, alternative direction. Here's another example for clarity. You could walk straight down this road until you reach the park. Alternatively, you can catch a taxi to get there quicker. It's important to remember that alternatively can be used in various places within the sentence, depending on the emphasis you want to make. You could say, alternatively, if you don't want to walk, there's a bike rental station nearby. Here, alternatively is used at the beginning of the sentence to give it a strong start. Or, you could use alternatively in the middle, like, there's a fast food restaurant around the corner, or alternatively, there's a healthier salad bar 2 blocks down. This makes the alternative option a bit more subtle. There you have it. You've now learned how to use alternatively when giving directions in English. Remember, it's a great way to provide additional options and it can help make your conversation more engaging and informative. So, start practicing and use alternatively in your everyday conversations. See you in our next lesson. Happy learning!